Making conversation at a party.
This party is bigger than I expected.
Yes, there are a lot of people here tonight.
Do you know many people here?
Only a few. I came with a friend from work.
Same here. My cousin invited me.
That makes it easier. I feel a little shy at parties.
The first few minutes always feel strange.
Yes, but it gets better after a little time.
The music is nice. It is not too loud.
I like that too. We can actually talk.
Did you try the food yet?
Not yet. I was looking at the snacks.
I tried the small sandwiches. They are really good.
Then I should get one before they are gone.
A lot of people are going to that table.
Yes, everyone looks happy tonight.
The mood feels very friendly.
Do you like parties like this?
Sometimes, but I like small parties more.
Same here. Big groups make me a little nervous.
Talking to one person feels much easier.
Yes, that is very true.
Do you come to parties often?
Not really. Maybe once every few months.
I almost stayed home tonight.
Me too. I felt a little tired after work.
I'm glad I came.
Me too. It was a good choice.
This party feels much more fun now.
Yes, and now I'm really happy I came. Talking about fitness and exercise.
You came back from outside. Were you walking?
Yes, I just finished a short walk.
Do you walk every day?
Almost every day. It helps me feel fresh.
That sounds good. I want to exercise more.
What kind of exercise do you like?
I like walking, but I am not very regular.
That is okay. Starting is the important part.
How long do you usually walk?
About 30 minutes in the morning.
That is a good amount of time.
Yes, and the air feels nice early in the day.
I usually wake up late. That is my problem.
Getting out of bed can be hard.
Very hard for me sometimes.
Maybe you can walk in the evening.
That is a good idea.
Do you go to a gym?
No, I just exercise at home sometimes.
What do you do at home?
A few stretches and some push-ups.
That is already very good.
I want to feel stronger and healthier.
Exercise really helps with that.
Do you do anything besides walking?
Sometimes I ride my bike on weekends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, and it does not feel like hard exercise.
I think I will start with a short walk tomorrow.
Great. Next time, tell me how it went. A friendly chat with a neighbor.
The weather is nice this morning.
Yes, it feels fresh today.
I saw you watering your plants. They look great.
Thank you. I take care of them every day.
The flowers by your door are very beautiful.
I planted them last month. They are growing fast now.
I want to put some plants outside my door too.
You should. It makes the place feel warm.
How long have you lived here?
Almost 2 years now. What about you?
Just 6 months. I still feel new here.
Then welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone has been very kind.
That is good to hear.
I often see you in the morning.
Yes, I usually leave early for work.
Same here. Sometimes I'm still half asleep.
Mornings can be hard for me too.
Do you like living here?
Yes, it is quiet and peaceful.
I like that too. It feels safe.
The small shop on the corner is very useful too.
Yes, I go there a lot.
Their bread is always fresh.
I bought some yesterday. It was really good.
I'm glad you liked it.
Do you know many neighbors here?
Only a few. Everyone is friendly but busy.
I'm happy we finally had a real conversation.
Me too. See you tomorrow morning. Cooking dinner together.
What should we make for dinner tonight?
Something simple and tasty.
That sounds good. Do you have any ideas?
We can make pasta and salad.
Perfect. I like pasta.
Great. The kitchen is all yours, too.
I will try not to make a mess.
That will be the real challenge.
What do you want me to do first?
Can you cut the tomatoes?
Sure. Where is the knife?
Right there, next to the cutting board.
Got it. How small should I cut them?
Not too small. Medium pieces are fine.
Like this?
Yes, that looks good.
What are you doing now?
I am boiling water for the pasta.
It already smells nice in here.
That is the garlic.
Garlic makes everything better.
I agree with that.
Should I cut the onions too?
Yes, but be careful.
My eyes always water when I cut onions.
Mine too. It happens every time.
Okay, the onions are ready now.
Nice. Can you put them in the pan?
This is going well. We make a good team.
Yes, and dinner will taste even better together. A first date in New York City.
This place is really nice.
Yes, I like it. It feels calm and cozy.
I am glad we picked this place in New York City.
Me too. It was easy to find.
Was the traffic bad?
A little, but not too bad.
Good. I got here a little early.
I noticed. That is a good habit.
I did not want to be late today.
That was a smart choice.
Are you nervous?
A little. First dates can feel strange.
I feel the same way.
But talking is getting easier now.
Yes, much easier now.
Have you lived in New York City for a long time?
About 3 years. What about you?
Only 1 year. I still feel new here.
How do you like the city?
It is busy, but exciting.
That is true. I like walking here at night.
Really? Where do you like to go?
Around the small streets near the lights and cafes.
That sounds very nice.
What do you like to do in the city?
I like parks, bookstores, and coffee shops.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes the city feels a little too fast.
Maybe after this we can walk outside for a while.
I would like that very much.